have mentioned many times that this was the muscles here were dormant for a long time. It's getting better. So I have repositioned the trumpet even more than so that I was. Remember when you held up your phone, you say four legs, for a table with four legs. I felt for the first time that I had an equal distribution, here, 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 and here, because all that is in the brain.
Mhm.
And then I started playing, and that is as effortless as I've ever played in my entire life. And
Whoa, there we go. That's fantastic. Look at that.